Hello, hello! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat and we are live. It's me, David. Kumusta po? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Isang napakagandang araw po. We are live from... Where are we today? Musashi Koyama. Sobrang ganda ng weather. It's a really nice weather today. And... If all, medyo maaga-aga po ang aking live ngayon dahil as you can see, we have an event. Meron po kaming event sa school and this is Square Ibarra. Diyan actually yung aming event. It's actually our performance day. When I say performance day, yung pong mga bata is nagpa-perform po sila in front of their families. So right now, it's our break time. So I took the time to do this live because it's going to be so busy later. It's going to be so busy later. Like right now, so, ngayon break time ko, ginawa ko na to para mamaya hindi ko na siya gawin. So, yeah, it's kind of slow connection but I hope that you guys can hear me. And, yun po, before we start our topic for today, I just want to say the reason of this live is for me to promote this, good business opportunity that we have. It's called digital marketing while also practicing what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. Lakad po muna tayo kasi napakadami po yung mga students ko po, baka makita nila ako. So the intention of, uulitin ko lang po kasi yung mga students ko kanina tinatawag ako. So yeah, so the reason of this live video is for me to promote this amazing business opportunity that we have called digital marketing while also practicing what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur through personal development. So yun po, before I start the topic, I just want to say na it was a really nice night yesterday, last night. We are going to have a new business partner. They are coming soon. And I'm so excited for the future. I'm so excited for the next step na mangyayari. And I cannot wait to welcome her once it's official. But we're getting there. Excited na po ako. That's why I want to share this day. So that, alam mo yun, I'm just happy. And yun po, so let's talk about our first topic for today. The first topic for today is, this is probably one of the most amazing, hindi naman amazing, one of the most important things that we can practice because I think when you are entering the world of entrepreneurship or if you are doing something that is towards your goal, parati mo siyang mararamdaman. This is always present to me. What am I talking about? Is overcoming fear and self-doubt. Ito po, almost every day, I think I'm struggling with this for a very long time dahil just a quick story po before starting this business kasi I was so afraid to come out of my comfort zone. I was so afraid to try this new venture and I was doubting myself every single day. Yung mga doubt ko is magagawa ko ba to? Magiging successful ba ako? So parang ang nangyayari po, pinapangunahan ko na agad yung mga dapat na mangyari. So I guess hindi lang po ako nagsasuffer nito. I'm thinking most of us because that's the normal, the normal function of our mind is to just give us self limiting beliefs or mga self-doubt. This is really, I'm in a constant struggle. Not struggle, constant battle pala. I'm in a constant battle of fighting my own fears because I'm also human. Natatakot rin po ako, kinakabahan rin po ako. Minsan talaga hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung ginagawa ko, but that's normal. That's normal. And we are in whatever that we are doing, especially and when we are working towards our goal, those things are normal. May isip at may isip po natin to. So I just want to give 5 tips on how you can eliminate or lessen po yung negative thought to yourself or limiting beliefs or things na nakakapag-enhance ng self-doubt. So I will give you, ilan ba to? 5 tips kung paano ba natin to maiiwasan kasi ito, I'm also practicing with this. I'm also practicing how to eliminate fear. I'm also practicing to eliminate self-doubt. So the first the first step that I can give you guys is like straight on, face your fear. Ako po, nung una, natatakot ako mag-live, natatakot ako kung anong iisipin ng mga tao. Pero nung ginawa ko siya, like right now, yung mga kinatatakot ko, hindi naman pala siya nangyari. So, it's really important na kung meron kang takot, just face it right, gawin mo siya. Gawin mo siya. I'm telling you guys, kung kinatatakot mo ang isang bagay, malalaman mo siya pag ginawa mo siya. Number 2, let's go to number 2. Change your inner talk. When I say inner talk, di ba nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga sinasabi sa ating sarili. Minsan, bago ako kunyari mag-talk, sasabihin ng sarili ko sa akin, ay nako, baka magkamali ka, baka magawa mo to, baka masabi mo to. Change it. Instead of saying, I cannot do this, say yourself that I can do this. I am capable and I am ready. Okay? That's the number 2. And the number 3 is, it's really important, taking small steps. Taking small steps. When I say taking small steps, kung meron kang goal, let's say you want to lose weight, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-lose ng 100 pounds in 1 month, diba? Or like 10 pounds in like a week. Just slow, incremental steps. Just do exercise for 15 minutes, and then exercise for 20 minutes, and then exercise for 40 minutes. So small steps. Ang importante po, we are taking steps towards our goal, and this is important because it is building momentum. Momentum po ang importante. And we are going to the number 4. Ito, isa to sa mga I'm always reminding myself is like, learn from mistakes. At one point, in every point of our life, we are going to make mistakes. It's part of our lives. It's part of becoming human. We are going to make mistakes. And parati nyo pong tatandaan na ang mistakes, hindi po siya dahilan bakit hindi kayo magiging successful. Mistakes and challenges are a requirement if you want to be successful. Requirement siya. So magkakamali ka talaga at one point. Pag nagkamali ka, what you're gonna do is you're gonna recuperate, change the plan, and apply another one. Just keep on going. Just keep on going, guys. And number 5. Ito, very important whenever I'm feeling hindi ako ginaganahan, whenever I'm feeling like really down, I always check and focus on my why. Why? Bakit mo ba ito ginagawa? I'm just gonna say it again. I'm doing this for my family. I'm doing this for my wife. I'm doing this for my daughter. I'm doing this for my mom and for my dad and for my sister and for all of the families that I love and I truly treasure. Because I know once I become successful, I can help them. Matutulungan ko sila. Mabibigay ko yung pangarap na buhay ko sa aking magulang. Mabibigay ko yung pangarap na buhay ko sa aking pamilya. Pangarap na buhay ko sa aking mga mahal sa buhay. That's why it's really important when you are feeling doubt, when you are feeling fear, just remind yourself, bakit mo ba ito ginagawa? Bakit mo ba siya ginagawa, diba? If you are still not motivated, if you're still not hindi ka pa rin compelled to do something, maybe you have to change your why. Have a stronger why. Maghanap ka, dig deep inside kung bakit mo ba ito kailangan gawin, bakit mo ba kailangan maging successful. Kasi if your why is strong enough, you will have no excuse. No excuse to do action. No excuse to take action. No excuse to make it happen. That's why right now, I have no excuse to make it happen. I have all of the support that I can get, especially with my family and with God. So, yun po, you can do it, guys. I want to keep this really quick and really short because we are going to start really soon. And yeah, I just want to again give a huge shout out for my new and upcoming business partner. We are going to make it happen. We are going to get there. And if you are looking, kung naghahanap po kayo ng negosyo, kung naghahanap po ba kayo ng ibang pagkakakitaan pero hindi nyo alam kung saan kayo magsisimula, you are in the right video. Kasi that's my goal. My goal is for me to share this amazing business opportunity that I have called digital marketing or affiliate marketing. It's a life-changing business. If you are interested, just hit me up a message and I can explain it to you. We can talk over. I'm really open to like telling this amazing opportunity because this is changing lives. Marami na pong nagbago yung buhay dito at marami pang magbabago ang buhay dito. So yun po, thank you very much for watching. It's me, David, and I will see you guys again for my next live, which is tomorrow. But before I go, let's do a quick look kung nasan ako ngayon. That is the hall that I'm going to. That is the hall that we are going to. It's a nice, beautiful weather. Nandun po yung mga estudyante ko, so I'm not supposed to go there because kukulitin po nila tayo. Kukulitin po nila tayo. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda na ng weather sa Japan. If you get a chance to go to Japan, this is the prime weather to go to Japan. November to December. While it's not really cold, it's still kind of cold. Pero in the peak of winter, which is February, it's gonna be really cold. So yun po, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna see you guys for my next live, which is tomorrow. Thank you for the people that are watching. Thank you the people that are going to watch this video. And thank you for the people that's gonna watch this video. Yun po. Maraming salamat po. Just a quick recap kung ano yung kailangan natin gawin bago tayo magpaalam. First is face your fear. Harapin mo yung kinatatakutan, guys. Harapin natin ang ating kinatatakutan kasi hanggat hindi mo siya hinaharap, hindi siya mawawala. Pangalawa, change your inner talk. Baguhin po natin kung paano tayo magsalita sa ating sarili. Kausapin po natin ang sarili natin na imbes na hindi natin kaya, tell yourself that you can do it. Number 3, take small steps. Hindi mo naman kailangan kasi na gawin lahat-lahat at an instant. Taking small step towards your goal is one of the best things that you can do. And number 4, learn from your mistakes. At one point, magkakamali ka talaga. It will happen. And pag nagkamali ka, take it as a learning stepping stone para para you can improve and go to the next step. And the last one is you gotta focus on your why. Bakit nyo ba ginagawa ito? Bakit ba kayo nagpupursige na maging successful? Ako po, just gusto ko lang pong ulitin, ginagawa ko po itong negosyo na ito para sa aking magulang. Ginagawa ko to para sa aking pamilya, para sa lahat ng taong mahal ko sa buhay at sa aking mga magiging future business partner, because I want to help them as well. We are helping each other in achieving the goal. So yun po, marami na naman akong dinaldal and I will see you guys again for my next live tomorrow. Maraming salamat po. Peace. Thank you.